Howdy folks, how's it going? This is the Sacred Heart Church here in Ocean Beach, California. I don't know anything about this church other than that there is a plaque there that says 1946. So I'm guessing that is when it was constructed. I just thought that I would start this video here as a little bit of a history lesson as I cruise over to the main street of Ocean Beach here. Also another little piece of history, old VW Bug. And so as many people will know, and some will not, is that California was once owned by Mexico. And so all of the cities that go up California with the Spanish names, San Diego is just south of here, Los Angeles, of course, San Jose, San Francisco, these were all Spanish missions when California was, part of the Mexican territory. And so San Diego, just south of here, was one of those mission areas. And so there is definitely a, Spanish and Mexican influence. And so that church looked, a little bit in the Spanish style. But other than that, this is, this is California Beach hippie surfer paradise central, and you're going to get a good taste of it in the little tour that's coming. All right, this is Newport Avenue, lined with palm trees. It's a pretty idyllic scene. You can see the ocean just 2 blocks down that way. So I'm gonna head down there and show some of the sights along the way. More of the Spanish influence, Mexican food. One of my favorites. Get your silly t-shirts here. And so this is my hostel where I'm staying. Really awesome U.S.A. hostels. Amazing hippie artwork, as you can see there, and the hostel is actually really well run. Amazing dorm rooms, bunk beds, good mattresses, free breakfast. Hodad's restaurant. Hey, buddy. And check out this ultimate hippie mobile. Is this thing for real? It's like the shortened version. Funny. Oh, daddy. That thing is classic. And so almost to the beach just up ahead. And I thought that I would give a little taste of my own California experience. I am a native Californian. I wasn't actually born in California. I was born in Canada, but my parents were from the Los Angeles area. Moved to Canada, I was born there, and then they came back. But I was raised in Northern California, so I'm not from Southern California originally. Never been to San Diego before, but been to Los Angeles lots of times. Howdy, good. All right, that is the Pacific Ocean. A blustery day here, end of January, smack in the middle of winter, but still a pretty nice beach day. I got you on video twice now. You were down there before, yeah. See ya. to walk down the pier here. What a day. A store and restaurant out at the end of this pier here. Pole rentals. And it smells really good, like seafood cooking up here. Hi there, just taking a look. Thanks. Fish and chips for $11. Ooh, that is tempting. On the beach. It's cold, eh? Yep. It ain't Hawaii or Mexico.
I've never been a water person before. Like, you live in California, you don't go to the water?
Yeah.
Oh, like it's best warm water.
Yeah.
Beaches are great fun.
If it's a super hot sunny day, it works, but and so over there is Dog Beach. I think I will refrain from walking around there. I hope you have enjoyed this tour of beautiful Ocean Beach, California near San Diego on a spectacular sunny winter's day. Take it easy. And time now for some Mexican food.
Yeah, it's not alcoholic.
No, it's not alcoholic.
Combo plate, 2 enchiladas, rice and beans, cheese, enchiladas, please.
Okay.
Thank you. No problem.
Special? Chicken double special? Sure. And then carne salad fries. And what comes on the carne salad fries? Pocket cheese.